Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to change the wallpaper in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Mozilla Firefox. On the top right hand side here you can see the personalized new tab, that is a settings icon. Okay, so just click on that and here you can see the wallpapers. Here you can see solid colors, you can see abstract photographs. Okay, suppose if you want to change with respect to the color, means you can just click on this solid colors option and here you can select any one of the color, whichever the color you like to choose as a wallpaper. Okay, suppose for example if I choose this particular color, means it will change to this particular color. Okay, and suppose if you want to change it to any other photographs, means you can just select any one of the photograph from here and you can just change it. Okay, so I will just take an example with respect to this particular photo. Okay, so now you can see the wallpaper has been changed to this particular photo. Okay, similarly, like if you want to use the default, means you can just click on this particular option, reset to default. You just click on this particular option, so that will again change it to the default mode, like the whichever the color you were using initially. Okay, so this is the default color for the Firefox wallpaper. Okay, so this is how you can change the wallpaper in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.